First, go to your factory electronic box and turn on your breaker. And second, turn on the door. Push here, turn right, open the door, then turn on the breaker, up. Wait around 3 or 5 minutes. It will have a sound from our equipment. I forgot to mention about how to connect with the battery. So you can see here have a red and black. So for red, you will connect with your positive side, hot line actually. Then you also can see here, so the clock here, that's the sensor for the voltage. And the black one is for negative, and also the big one also. So you need to connect the sensor, red and black, and also for the DC output, red is hot and nature. So connect it, push the button to turn on our equipment. You can see the sounds. Then we go to the laptop screen, and you can hear the voice is from the fan to cool down. It's our cool down system. This means the equipment already turned on and active now. So we go to our laptop screen. So you can see right now we connect with our channel 4. That should be have read the battery voltage. Then we start. So we go to the BTS system. So click it. So you will see the screen. That's our user interface. Then you need to connect with the equipment. They have an IP. So when you see this connected, completed, that means your laptop already connect with our battery charge and discharge system. Right now we use channel 4. So as I mentioned before, let's have our voltage sensor. So you can see that our battery right now is 12 volts. So it means that sensor work well. So we go to next. So you select process editor. So here you need to set up the system range. The system range is one of our protection. So this equipment right now, it could be up to 0 to 100 volts. So you need to click set up here. It can make sure the voltage output will not over the equipment limitation. And also for the current is also. So right now we just set up the minus 60 to plus 60 ampere. Then for power, it will calculate by themselves, right? Once you already input the voltage and the current, then the system will automatically calculate the wattage. Then we go to the editor. So here is our interface to set up you can select here. So you can see that's all process we can set up for battery testing. So you can see the rest. So once you push the rest, it will show up. You can see have a gray and white. So you just input the parameter into the white one. The gray one you cannot set up. And the delta time means how the time between record point. So you push here is 1 second. Means every 1 second you will record it. So we go to next. For CC is consistently current charge. So you can see here is the current. Then you need to put 5 because our battery is 12 volts. So it can just put how your battery can handle the current and how many times you want to charge it. Then we put 500, but it will automatically calculate how many minutes and seconds will be. Then we go to next. So here you already charge. So next one every stage process between you need to put the battery rest cool down. So each stage, once you charge, you discharge, no matter how it will be, between then you need to put the rest. So we go to next. Yeah. So once again, yeah, here, and push your time. Then and the rest. So you can see here is between. So that's our entire process. And also we can do. If you want to do the cycle, you don't need to put everyone to pass, copy and paste several times, you just click here to cycle and push from, you can set up the parameter 1, this entire cycle start from which step. Here we can set up the start from step 1, then second parameter you can set up the how many cycle you want to do it. So it will, you can see here right now we have a 3 cycle. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's what we want. Then insert. Okay, that's it. So here our system also can show you the once it have an error. For example, like here, we put the rest sys, but we don't input the parameter which system require. Then we save. Then it will show you the error and point out which one it will be the error, like this, because we don't put it in here. So it will point you to where is the error and you need to fix it, otherwise the system cannot process. So we delete it here. Then we save. So right now it's sys. So we can start. Yeah, load your process and OK. Then you will execute. So it's already been, the process already been activated. It's running. You can see here, you customize the which color means. So you can see here, charge, discharge, rest, protection, pulse, stop, complete, offline, other. But you can select which color you want. You can hear the voice. It means the process being activated. You can see our 3-color LED. So green means the process is on process, and also you can see here is the blue one also means the process is ongoing. But when the equipment is activated, actually we don't suggest to turn on the door. It's not safe. But right now here we just to show you where you can see how the equipment work. That's it. So we already finished 1 cycle, and they have one more good thing. You click the screen, it will show you don't need to export your data. Actually, if your laptop or PC have Excel inside, then it could be exported. You can see here the curve chart here. So you can, when you point it, you can see the time and what's the voltage and current it will be. And also, unfortunately, the chart is not running by the time immediately. When you click it, the system will cut it, then show you the data from the moment you click the screen. So you can see entire chart like this. So you have a voltage, current, and once you have a thermal temperature mode, then module, then you will see the temperature also. That's it. So once the entire process finished, you can see the screen become channel color will change to green one. It means it's already finished. So like this.